Superman fans. Hey, 2600 Superman fans, or Atari 2600 Superman fans. Oh, oops, that's just me farting. But this right here is a map. Yeah, see, it's got a little thingy there, got a little thingy here, and it's got the regular map right there. See, this is the map of Superman. Superman Atari 2600. This is the map. This is a map, a very rough, very rough map. Okay, this is a very rough map. Well, you got that upside down. No, you don't get it upside down. Let's see. See that? See that? That is a very rough map of, goes from this scene right here. Scene, not this scene, because that's, see, that's the 21st scene, bridge scene. See, that's the bridge right there. I didn't make that bridge very clear, but that X right there, see that X right there, and then that looks like a little bridge. And then I put that same 21, see 21, down here. See the X right there? That signifies that that's the bridge scene. So the reason I did that is because I got an even number. This is the even number. See, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, so you got, this is the Atari 2600 Superman map. Now, see, this right here is number 1. This is scene number 1. See, right there's the phone booth where it only changes Clark Kent, it changes Superman into Clark Kent, and Clark Kent into Superman. Right there, see, it has a little phone booth, or a little phone right there at the bottom. Okay. There's 5 other phone booths. So this is scene number 2. Scene number 3. Scene number 4. Okay, now in scene number 4, see, it has a phone booth. It has a cap on it. It has that cap on that phone booth. You can go into the subway with that. Screen. This is screen number 4. Now screen number 5. Right there, screen number 5. There's screen number 6. Okay. Screen number 6 has a phone booth in it. So that's phone booth number 2. See, I got that one marked. But this is screen number 6. See, it's screen number 6. And that's phone booth number 2. See, it has a cap on it. And screen number 7. Screen number 8. Nothing special about that. Screen number 9. Now, see, now there's something special there. Screen number 9. See, because here's the phone booth. Here's another phone booth. But this is the Daily Planet in Metropolis. This is the Daily Planet in Metropolis. This is Metropolis City. The whole map is Metropolis City. This is the Daily Planet because that's what this building is. The Daily Planet. So that has a diamond shape, a blue diamond shape with a phone. Okay, this is the only phone booth you can use to get to the purple screen in the subway. Every one of these phone booths go to the subway. The only one that doesn't is this one, the first screen where I said that one only changes Superman into Clark Kent and Clark Kent and Superman. That's all that does. That don't go to the subway. Okay, it's got a little phone at the bottom. That's the only phone that does. That's the only phone booth that does. So we're on screen number 9, which is the Metropolis phone booth. It's got the blue diamond shape with the phone in it. That's how you tell that's the Metropolis Daily Planet. That's the Daily Planet phone booth. Now we're on scene number 10. Nothing special. Screen number 11. Nothing special. And screen number 10. It goes 11, 12. Can't count. Okay, so from screen number 11 and goes to screen number 12. Right there is another phone booth. See the cap? It's a phone booth. That goes to subway. And so that's 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, it's 1, and it goes 2, then it goes 3 is the Daily Planet. Daily Planet's number 3. the one with a diamond shape, a blue diamond shape on top. It has a phone. That's phone booth number 3. And then now we're on screen number 12. So it goes 10, 11, nothing special, and 12, and you got the phone booth, and that's phone booth. It's phone booth number 4. And now we go to 13. 13, screen 13, screen 14, screen 15, screen 16. No, still nothing special. Then we go to screen 17. Oh, look at there. Look at there. Screen number 17 has the jail. Screen number 17 has the jail. And number 18. Number 19. Nothing special. Number 20. Number 20 has a phone booth. So right here's the bridge scene 21. Or 21. And but this is 20. And this has a phone booth. And that's the 5th phone booth. So you got the phone booth you start in. We don't count that because that don't go to the subway. It doesn't go to the subway, and it's got a little phone at the bottom. And we got screen number, we got phone booth number 1. That's screen 4. Phone booth number 2 is screen 6. And phone booth number 3 is the Daily Planet. Metropolis Daily Planet with a blue diamond shape with a phone in it. So that's 3. That's phone booth number 3. It's the Daily Planet, Metropolis Daily Planet, and that's the only one you can go to the subway and go to the purple screen. That's the only one. That's the only one you can go to and go to the purple screen in the subway. Because there's 5 different colors there's 5 different colored screens in the subway. And okay, that's number 3 phone booth. Number 4 phone booth is there, and then it goes, and that's screen number 12, and 13, and 14, and 15, and 16, and 17 is the jail screen. 17 is the jail screen. 18, 19, and 20 is the phone booth, the 5th phone booth. That's the 5th phone booth. So you got 1, 2, or actually, you got one phone booth in screen number 14. Number 2 phone booth on screen number, oh, I'm sorry, not 14, but 4. I gotta learn how to write. Okay, so we start here in this phone booth, and that only changes Superman and Clark Kent and Clark Kent back in Superman, so we don't count that as a subway's phone booth. And so then we got screen number 4, which is the 1st phone booth. Then screen number 6 was the second phone booth. Screen number 9. Screen number 9 is the Metropolis phone booth with the diamonds, the blue diamonds at the top of it with a phone in it. So that's number 3 on number 9. Number 9 screen, and that's number 3 phone booth. Let's see. Now screen number 12. Screen number 12 is the 4th phone booth. That's number 4. Screen number 12. Then 13 and 14, 15, 16. Then screen number 17 is the jail. Now then 18, then 19, then screen number 20. Screen number 20 is the 5th phone booth. Then you got the bridge site right there, or the bridge if it's built. And then I just continued that over here, back over here. That's screen number 21, and then number 1 is the phone booth where you can only change from Clark Kent to Superman, Superman to Clark Kent. And that just does this constant loop like that. It's 21 screens. And as you know, see by down here, see this is 21 screen, the last screen. The other screen has a phone booth. Ooh, you know where a phone booth is now. As long as you know where that is. And then up here, I just copied this 21 screen up to here. So you got the phone booth that only changes Superman in Clark Kent, and Clark Kent and the Superman. That's the only phone booth that does that, and it doesn't go to the subway. So you got 3 screens. They're key screens in a row. You got this. The phone booth that changes Superman and Clark Kent and Superman, and then you got the bridge scene. See, bridge scene. And then you got the phone booth. All right together. Those 3 screens are the only 3 screens that are important that are important together. All the rest of them are phone booths, which are important. And the jail is important because you gotta put all the robbers in there. The 6 robbers, the five small skinny slashes, 5, and then the fat slash is Lex Luthor, the one that flies around on a helipack. It's a helipack on his back, where it's got it looks like a little bit like a helicopter, but it's not the helicopter, because the helicopter in this game, what the helicopter does is it picks up the robbers and places them all different screens like that, and it picks up Lois Lane, puts her in all different screens, and it picks up the bridge pieces. These bridge pieces, then after it blows up and that's vacant. That's what I should have done. I should have made that a vacant. But anyway, let's pretend that's a vacant screen. That's a vacant bridge scene. Let's say that's just vacant. I shouldn't even put X there. I should have just left that blank, because then I'd have one with the X and one with a blank. That's what I should have done. But oh well. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. You know what they say? They say shoulda, coulda, woulda. But anyway, the helicopter gets pieces of bridge, because it's 3 pieces of bridge, and it'll put it in all different areas. And then the subway is 5 screens. That's 5 screens in the subway, 5 different colors, and 5 screens in the subway. There's 5 in the subway, not 4, but 5. But there is 4 main ones. There's 4 main ones. The only way you can get to the purple subway screen is to go through screen number 9, which is the Metropolis Daily Planet phone booth with the blue diamond shaped thing on top and a phone in it. But I'm in jail, and I'm Dan. That's the map of Superman for the Atari 2600. That's the map of Superman for the Atari 2600, all 21 screens. And then you got 4 screens, 4 main screens in the subway, and 5 total screens in the subway. And that's what I'm here to say today. And today is 8/11/2015, and that's a map of the Atari 2600 Superman. So you know exactly where you're at all the time, what screen you're on. You know where the phone booths are, where the bridge side is, and the jail. That's all you need to know. And all you need to know in the subway is once you're in the subway, just go to red and you go out the left, and you get to the jail scene. The that's my talking thermometer. But all you need to know in the subway is to go into any one of these phone booths, any one of them, except for the one that you can only change in this from Superman to Clark Kent to Superman, which said don't go to the subway. So any phone booth that goes to the subway, all you gotta do is go to the phone booth, go to red, and then go out the left side of red, and that's the jail. If you go out the right side of red, you'll be right here. You come out right there, and that'll be so it'll be 1, 2, 3 screens, which is the starting screen, which is number 1, which is the phone booth that don't go to the subway, and then the bridge side. So if you go out of the right side of red, that's what you do. You go 3 screens. You'll be 3 screens away from the bridge side, and or actually the bridge side would be the 4 screen, and the 3rd screen would be the phone booth that don't go to the subway. Okay, so all you need to know is red left, red right. Just remember red left, red right, and then just find the phone booth to do that, to get to red. And you just keep going up, bam, 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 bam in the subway to get to red. So just remember, go bam, 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 bam until you hit red. Go left out of it or right out of it to go where you need to go. And then The other one is the yellow. The yellow, it looks almost green, but the yellow part of the subway, you go to that, and you go out to the left. You go out the left side of the yellow subway, and that takes you to the Metropolis Daily Planet with the blue diamond shape with the phone in it. Takes you right to that screen, right immediately after you go to the yellow and then out the left side. That takes you to the Metropolis Daily Planet phone booth, and that's the ending. That's the ending screen. That's what you need to go to get to the end, or that's the screen. That's the phone booth you need to go to the purple color in the subway. I don't know why you'd want to go there. I'm not sure. You might just put that in as a. This is a weird thing. I don't know. I haven't seen any use for it. The purple one, but there might be. So we gotta keep looking. So this is the map of the city of Metropolis City. This is the map of Metropolis City for Atari 2600 Superman, and the greatest game ever made for the Atari 2600 right here. Superman. Atari 2600 Superman is the greatest game ever made for the Atari 2600. It's the most funnest, it's the best, it's got the most screens, it's got the most everything. So, I'm Dan. I'm the Atari Man. I'm the Atari Man. I'm Dan, and I'm the Atari Man, especially Atari Superman. You know what I say? Same time, same channel. You know what I say? Same bat time, same bat channel. See you then. Yeah.